What's good? What's good? We're gonna go over Fantom. Currently, we're sitting at $1.20. We're up about 2.2 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.03 billion, 24-hour volume 330 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we have quite a bit of support in between 113 and 102. You can see all the support in this area, support here as well. We have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame on the RSI as well as the money flow, signifying the bears are running out of strength. We are starting to see a little bit of a bounce here. So if we can break out of this descending channel, you would be in a technical target all the way up to the top of the channel at 165. Doesn't mean it's going to make it all the way up there, but that just is the technical target. So if it does start to break out here, your levels of resistance to watch: 124, 132, 139, and 147. You can see they line up with levels of support and resistance. So those are your levels to watch if we do break out here. Now, if we were to roll over, it does look like we might see some bullish momentum step in here. But we could come back down for a retest of 113 and create a double bottom pattern. As you can see here, we came down, create a bottom. If we come down again and create a second bottom and then break out, or we simply break out, back test as support, hold the 20 EMA and see continuation up to 124. If we can break that up to 132 for FTM. Now, if we pop over to the daily time frame, I have been talking about this large descending channel, and we may be looking for a fifth wave down that would take you down to about 93 cents. There is a hidden bearish divergence. As you can see here, we created a lower high on the price action while creating a higher high on the RSI as well as the money flow, which is a hidden bearish divergence and can be an early indicator of continuation of the downtrend. So if we do see a nice bounce here, what may happen is we either come up, we hit resistance at 129, 130, we push up a little bit higher, we could hit resistance at 138, and then roll over and see continuation down to about 89 cents. To invalidate that, we need to come up and break out of this pattern, get back above the EMAs, the 20 EMA, the 55 EMA, and bounce and break 160, and then see continuation up to about $2.11. A lot of support in this area, and then all the way up to $3. But as of right now, we are continuing to respect the resistance of this channel here. So if we do see a push up to 137, we could see a rejection. I have been mentioning this massive double top pattern. Currently, we are underneath the neckline, and the technical breakdown is 49 cents. So we would need to get back above $1.29, hold that support, break out for the bulls to see continuation to the upside. Because as of right now, it does look like we may come down to about 97 cents. And of course, on the weekly time frame, as I've been mentioning, we did have that bearish divergence and we haven't come all the way back down to oversold. The money flow is getting very, very close to the bottom section. And that's when we could see a huge bounce in the market. I do think Fantom would have to come down here to about 97 cents for the money flow to come all the way back down. You can see the RSI has a little bit of room to come down as well. So that may be where we're looking to get to, is down to 97 cents, which is the previous high, the previous swing high back in May before we had our summer crash. So what you may see is Fantom comes down in between about 90 to 97 cents. The money flow comes all the way down to the bottom section and the RSI as well. And then you see that massive push that breaks you out of this descending channel and pushes you back up to $1.60. Of course, anything can happen. It's just my analysis. So always, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So in the short term, if we do see a bounce, watch 129 could act as resistance. We're starting to bounce here. The 20 EMA on the daily is currently coming in at about 133. And of course, the resistance of the descending channel, which is coming in at about 136. And on the 4-hour time frame, we do have our bullish divergence. So we can see here we are starting to see a little bit of breakout. We are starting to test the descending channel resistance line. So if we can break above it, I do think you'll see a nice push up to 124 and quite possibly 132, as we do have our bullish divergence. With our dollar cost average strategy, we've had 6 entries with our break even sitting at 176, equal amounts at each buy zone. As a spot trader, brings your average price down halfway each time. Our next buy zone is all the way down at about 59 cents here. It's a great low maintenance trading strategy if you're a busy person. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer for the trades to play out, but I am giving trade signals now in the Discord for $10 a month. As we can see here, the Mad Love trade signals, $10 per month to get my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses, which can all be found here in the Discord. We also have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, buy and take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci if you're looking to start dollar cost averaging into your positions, and of course the trade signals where you get access to my entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses. The trade signals are available for $10 a month. Everything else is available for $350 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.